Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake guys will dice for y'all.
Alright guys, as you see, this is the 2020 Paul Walker's birthday meet here in Merced, California. At the indoor lumber yard, and Lowe's is on that side as well. Shout out to the homie Gabe, the wide body Sugi. Look at that. Oh! Oh, you gotta see what's up to the Raptor though. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh! But yeah, as you see, there's a shitload of Mopars, Subarus, custom Mustangs, swaps, everything. Hondas, Chargers, Mercedes, fucking built trucks. All that is here today. It's crazy. You got even this custom truck right here. Check that shit out. Clean. You got back vehicles. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. We got a thought with that. We got the Halifin motor right here. Check this out. Check out that Halifin right here. Y'all want to see the inside? Check this out. Look at that. Saca las chelas. Ooh, got the Mustangs. Can't forget about the C7s. C7. Saca las chelas. I did. Doing it again. No. You know, at every meet, you gotta have tacos made. Woo! We got two sets going on. Watch out. We got bikes, dikes. I said we got bikes and we got dikes. We got another 5 slow. Oh, I mean 5-0. Got the TC. Ooh, over here we got no lights whatsoever. Ninja Kawasaki. Yeah, this meet is dumbass crazy. There's at least 9 rows back that way that are full of cars. And they got another 3.5, of course, going out that way. We got Walmart on the other side over there. I'm pretty sure that's getting packed too. Right. Oh, watch out for the 5. Watch out, 5-0. Woo. Sylvie with the underglow. Dang, son. Gotta love the little baby Yodas. That's dope. You fucking drive that shit all year. Who does? Woo! Stay in school. Twin snails. Those twins are big. that Z.